Hello, my name is Jan Zanka and I'm the principal for Dallas String Quartet, a crossover group between classical and pop rock music. If you want a challenge as a PR and marketing company, try representing this type of a group where Bach meets Bon Jovi, as the tagline says. Not only Katie met our expectation, but she truly exceeded them, landing us in Hollywood Digest, Celebrity Access, numerous Spotify editorial playlists, and TV appearances. We've been able to do collaboration with artists and musicians that we admire, and she was that link between us and them, reaching out and creating an amazing partnership. We have been able to grow year after year, and I believe this success comes in huge part due to the fact that she cares about the artist. Not only that, she's very knowledgeable about the music industry, whether it's what's going on with NFTs for artists, or editorial playlists, or marketing and techniques for Instagram and Facebook. But she's always thinking how this artist will reach his full potential. And we felt that from the first time we started working with her. We love working with Katie, and this has been an amazing partnership for us at Dallas String Quartet.